रेहान खान जो एअरवेज पब्लिक स्कूल हांगा शिकपी जो 9 स्टँडर्डाक शिकपी भुरगो आणि 14 वर्साचो 14 इयर्स ओल्ड जो बिट्स पिलांनी हांगा रावता आणि ताचे नेटिव्ह आसा कर्नाटका. ह्या भुरग्याच्या माइंडान असो एक क्रिएटिव्ह माइंड आसा. ते क्रिएटिव्ह माइंड ताच्या तकलेन आयले कारण ताका अशें दिसलें की आपल्या घरान कोणाक तरी एक भुरग्याक प्रॉब्लम आसा आणि तो म्हणजे ब्लायंड भुरगो आसा आणि ब्लायंड भुरग्यांक जेन्ना त्याचे लाईफ कितली डिफिकल्ट जाता हे डिफिकल्ट लाईफ खंय तरी कमी करचे हो विचार ताणें घेतलो आणि एक क्रिएटिव्ह माइंडांतल्यान ताणें एक सायंटिफीक हे घेतलो. ताजो टिचरा कडल्यान ताच्या स्कुला कडल्यान ताच्या पेरंट्सा कडल्यान ताका मोटिवेशन मेळ्ळें आणि त्या प्रकारे ताणें हांगा एक स्टीक तयार केली जी वॉकिंग स्टीक आसा. वेगळे वेगळे भितरच्यान फीचर्स घालून ताणें ती तयार केल्ली आसा. तर तुमी पळया कारण हो जो आसा तो प्राऊड मोमेंट आसा स्कुलाकूच न्ही ताच्या पेरंट्साकूच न्ही तर तो गोंयान असल्या कारणान आमच्या गोंयभराक तशेंच इंडियाक आमकां हो प्राऊड मोमेंट फील करता आमी कारण ताका एवॉर्डूय मेळिल्लो आसा पेटंट ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया हांगच्यान ताका तो एवॉर्डूय आसा. सो आमी पळया ताजी जी संकल्पना जी ताची क्रिएटिविटी कशी ताणें तयार केली ताका कितें दिसलें आणि कसो ताणें तयार केलो.
Brain of Aztec Arduino Uno. So when an object is detected from the ultrasonic sensor, it will send the signals to Arduino Uno, which will later on which will immediately send the signal to the buzzer, and the buzzer will start beeping, which helps the blind person navigate. And when this button, as you can see the button, when you press this button, this will send a signal to Arduino Uno, which will again send signal to our SIM 900A module, which will initiate a call. And here is our GPS module, which will locate the stick, and through SMS we are going to send the live location, for example Google Maps, altitude and latitude. And here is the camera. So we are using a microprocessor computer which is Raspberry Pi. So for object detection and all that we have to train a model. So I'm training a model, and like I'll complete it in till December. And this camera, so if the GPS is not 100% accurate, it is like 50 to 60 meters accuracy. So this camera will help the blind person family navigate to him. This will send the blind person family can see the live footage from this camera in their phone. I would like to give a practical demonstration of how my project works. So when an obstacle is detected, so this is the obstacle. So if the blind person is walking on the road, if suppose he is walking like this, so then this buzzer will start beeping and give him alarm that there is an obstacle ahead of him, he should go aside. And he could use this thing for navigating around him, surrounding, and he could navigate alone without anyone helping him. And if the blind person faces any difficulty, for example he falls or he gets lost or he feels unsafe, he could just press this button. And we have kept a delay of at least 5 seconds, because if by mistakenly the blind person press the button, it should not trigger a call and the family members shouldn't get affected. And
it will come.
The call, it takes at least like 5 to 10 seconds to initiate. As we can see, the call has been initiated, and when the call is initiated, at the same time a message will be forwarded to the number of the live location of the blind person. After opening the message, this is the Google Map location of our, so it will send Google Map altitude and latitude, and it will create a link. And we have attached a camera, so when like if the GPS model is not 100% accurate, it is around 25 to 30 meters around, so this camera will help the blind person family navigate to him. And we are trying to attach, like training a model wherein if it will start to detect an object. For example, if someone is standing in front of him, it will tell the object's name. For example, it will tell a boy is standing in front of you, and if the blind person knows the parent, we could just train a model in such a way that the stick recognizes the person and tell him through the speaker. This is the microcomputer which helps in detecting all those stuff, and this is the main processing unit of that. We are still training the model and we'll complete it in December. Yes.
I am a representative of Airway Education Society trustee. It's a proud moment indeed for us, for the school and the whole of Goa, that Rihan Khan from Airway Public School, who's studying in 9th standard, has actually achieved a patent from the central government of India. It's actually a great thing, a proud moment for each one of us who is present here today. Just want to say that I wish him all the best and all the wishes from our side to him, and we are always there for him to support.
Tasneem Khan. I am Rehan's class teacher. Well, I have observed him for n number of years now, and I have spotted the talent in him from day one. He always has a lot of interest in science and technology. But the most important thing that I have noticed in him is he is able to comprehend what he thinks. For example, the project that he's made, the eVision navigation stick for the blind, he was inspired, he took inspiration from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Not only that, one of his cousin who is visually blind, and he saw how difficult his life was. That's when this idea struck him. And at this age, I mean, he is only 13, 14 years old. At this age, to achieve this feat is an outstanding, commendable job. He has got a patent from the government of India. That is something any student in the entire state has not achieved yet. So that brings a lot of accolades to him, to his parents, to the school, the teachers, and it's indeed a proud moment for me to say that he is my student, the student of Airway Public School. Moreover, what I would like to emphasize here is, I mean, just look at him. At the age of 14, he has been able to bring about a positive change in the society. How many of us are able to do that? He should be a driving force, an inspiration to all of us in the society in the first place. Of course, he certainly is a role model to all our young students in the school. Everyone look up to him, you know, as in the young scientist in the making. That's how we address him. You shouldn't be surprised if you see his name flashing somewhere in the future as one of the greatest scientists the world has ever witnessed. So it indeed is a proud moment for me. I would like to thank his parents because I have been in constant touch with them, and they have been a powerful support system in whatever he does. His subject teachers, all the teachers for that matter, the management of the school, and he has got a strong support system in all of us. So hats off to him and a proud moment for all of us. But I think it's a motivation for us that we need to derive from him at this age. If he can bring about such a huge change in the society, we all can.
I am Chiriyan Gurula, principal of Airway Public School. And here with me Mr. Rihan Khan, a student of class 9 who has joined here 2018. And we have observed that the child is a science talented boy. He has got a lot of ideas, and the class teacher and the science teacher has inspired and encouraged and motivated the child to do a lot of things. He has participated in a number of competitions, and he has won first prize in a number of cases. And he has made a stick where a visually impaired person can walk in the streets without any problem. So that is one thing. And lately he got a patent for that from the government of India. Like that, we are wishing him all the best, and also we hope that in future he will do much better things. Wish you all the best.
Science teacher of Rihan. Actually, we have done this project 2 years before. We have thought about it, and first it was eVision stick, because we have seen the blind person finding the difficulties in their life. Later, we have improved it as the navigation stick, and in this year we got this patent on the name of Rihan Khan. He has done good job. Of course, as a science teacher, I can say that wherever he has done the mistake, I was just behind him, and our management also was the behind us. So we are on this stage, and we got this project. And really I am happy with this, that Rihan has done a very good job, not for the school, not for the management only, for this Goa And of course for the India also, on this age, not a single student has done in India, and really it's a very proud moment of us, and best wishes for him for the future. Thank you.
My name is good morning everyone. My name is Rehan Khan. I live in BITS Plani, Goa campus, Nagar. I study in Airview Public School. I am in 9th standard. So this is my project e-vision. This is my project navigation stick for blind. So this is a combination of various modules and sensors which work together to make the blind person's life easier. Well, when an obstacle is detected in front of the ultrasonic sensor, it will send the signal to Arduino, which will send a voltage to the buzzer, and the buzzer will start to beep. And then when this button is triggered, for if suppose the blind person is facing any difficulty or he gets lost, he could just press this button, and this will trigger a call and send the live location to a single number or a group of number as we wish. And here is the camera we have attached. This live footage can be seen from mobile phone through our website, which we are still developing, and we are still training a model which can do object detection and work as like Alexa or any voice assistant. And I have gotten a patent for this. Yes. So I got this idea because one of my brother cannot see. He is visually impaired. So when our school had launched a science exhibition when I was in 7th standard, that time while sitting in my room, I got this idea that I could make a stick for him. Initially, I didn't use any complex thing because I didn't know coding, and I had two teammates initially, one Nishka Samant and Sophia Saxena. Later on, when I went to his home, his parents started talk about that how difficult his life is, how he's unsafe outside his home. So at that time I thought, why can't I develop this thing? So I researched about it and saw online that no other company is selling it, or if they are selling also, they are not in India and it is very expensive for them. So I started developing a thing. I read documents about how to make the project and how each and every sensor works. And later on I started coding and I completed this project. And while completing this project, I got this idea of camera. And my father also helped me a lot. He also motivated me to make this project.
On behalf of Airway Public School, I would like to thank the entire team of Goa News Now. Especially shout out to Shalaka ma'am for giving us this opportunity and covering this event. Thank you so much, ma'am.